Again, it's Priscilla Batzell, Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Start Studio Gallery. And don't call me late for dinner, but I'm pushing the envelope. I've got some Meeden black paint, and I'm going to spread it in a not as thin a layer as I do sometimes, because I want to be able to float some other paint on top of it. And then, if I'm lucky, I'll have time to add some of the Meeden white for the other side for the same purpose. I like a diagonal. I like it to be organic looking. I'm going to throw that aside for now. Grab a new spatula. Throw some Meeden white on there. Touch up that missing spot. Move that back out of my way so I don't confuse it with my cell activator, which is Amsterdam Black in Aussie Floetrol. They don't work the same way. So in theory, after I get enough paint on my spatula from swiping across to cover the canvas, I will also have enough left to squish up into that gap so there is no gap anymore, or very nearly no gap anymore. And if I do it just right, I don't have to mess with the black too, like that. Just use my studio rag, wipe that off. It does not really matter when it comes down to it at all. I just like to be on target. Okay, so now I moved the black, and I'm going to give myself a puddle of black right there, and a puddle of Chantilly lace right here, and another one right there. Why don't I just follow that right down? And just fill in. I cannot tell at this point the difference between canvas and paint right now at all. So I'm just going to add some more paint. I'm going to use my Frozen. My poinsettia. And my pink diamond. And I have made a cell activator, knock on wood, with orange unicorn spit, which is a gel stain. And I kind of want to put some of it right out into a container. Along with, that is Australian Floetrol also, with a combination of Decor Americana and Decor Americana 24 karat gold. That's pretty. And golden fluid acrylics. I like that. I can do that again. I can do that again with the smaller palette knife. And scrape it off in my scrape dish. I'm going to wipe it off on my studio rag, which I'm going to move into easy proximity, hopefully without, it's a little in the way. So I like the gold as it is. I'm not going to worry about that. And I like that little flourish right there. I should put a little bit of that in my dish too, just in case I want to touch up something I do like that isn't too smart like that was. All right. I'm going to just switch back and forth. I kind of like that shape in there, so I don't actually want to do anything to it. I'm thinking a little more pink might make me happy. Especially if I hit it with that orange again. Alright, so far so good. I'm liking this orange shell activator a lot. This might be really simple, and it would be probably very good for me if it were over soon. So I should tell you guys, I do sell my artwork in case you're interested, and you can get in touch with me using my email address below the link tree. The link tree is under Show More, and also under the 20% off Color Art coupon code, which I highly recommend using. These are Color Art Prizm pours. I'm going to not ignore that gold. That gold needs to be used freely and copiously because it looks fantastic. I don't have a problem scraping off my tools if they have beautiful paint on them. I kind of want to blow something around for a second. And I might be tempted that looks a little clumsy, but it'll be alright. Especially after I blow it out. Alright, so far so good. We're almost done. I'm going to use a little more cell activator. The cell activator I did mention, don't forget, the orange unicorn spit worked like a charm with Aussie Floetrol. And I'm planning on trying other colors. Truly I am. Well, I've got one more little spot to go, and I think I'm going to call it good in a minute. I like that. I have a little more gold cell activator. which will also stand in as gold paint. Especially in this bottom corner. So that's that. I should tell you guys I love you. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. I've got one more spot I can go to. Wow. I better be happy with this. Because it was really fine the way it was. One more little. So what should I tell you guys before I go? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all of the wonderful comments and compliments that keep my morale boosted. If you would like to help me out, please go away, whoever's on the other side of the door. If you would like to help me out by making a donation to help keep the studio rolling and making new tutorials, know that if you find and use the PayPal icon to make a donation, it's on the YouTube channel banner on the bottom right hand corner, and also the links are on my link tree. That's pretty cool. I might have to do some more of those. I'll turn it the way I was looking at it. I think I want some of that gold right here. Because why waste it? I'm going to walk away and it's going to dry on that. I like that. Alright, I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Thank you for your kindness and your donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you look for the community board, you will find tomorrow's video more often than not. I have a midnight show through the end of March, through the end of February 2022, Eastern Standard Time. My regular time to post is noon Eastern Standard Time. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. I'm not tired of looking at this at all. Let me see if I can shimmer that at you. Oh. How did I manage to just shut that off? That's not cool. That is pretty awesome. I will zoom in if I can. And I may have to turn off. Yeah, let's zoom in. Those cells are awesome. Someday my shimmer will come. I'll figure it out. Until then, I'm just going to keep trying. So, when you guys give me a thumbs up, it cheers me up immensely. Thank you so much for that. I mentioned that your comments do the same thing. What should I tell you? Teespring Clothing is the clothing below the video. And if you find that you can't find what you're looking for on Teespring, just ask. And chances are I can add it. I'm so distracted by this I can't even think. The clothing below the video is spring. That's also my designs, and we can add stuff there. Did I just say that twice? I might have. FindItAmericaPixels.com, same thing. They're on the link tree. The link tree also has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Society 6, my Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more. Oh, wow. I so wish you could see what I can see. I'm going to rock this back and forth, hoping against hope that at some point in time you can totally see this. I'm going to have to zoom back out again. I do sell my artwork. Oh no, I don't. Yeah, I'm distracted. Can you say I'm distracted? That Chantilly lace is the bomb. Wow. Alright. If you watch longer, share my videos, and watch some of the commercials, you help me out. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. It looks like I have a lot of subscribers, but they keep getting taken away. And when they find out they're gone, they come back. But until they find out, they're still gone. Wow, I love this. I love you guys too. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they are the first 100 and second 100 videos I made for YouTube, the tools, the processes, and the finished pictures. I told you about my community board. What else did I miss? My paint pouring recipe will be under the video. I can't believe how distracted I am. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And selling a painting would float my boat. Oh my goodness. These colors. Wow. The patterns are pretty darn awesome too. Wow. I hope you can see some of that. All right. I love you guys. I'm going to say goodbye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Late for dinner. I will see you anon. Priscilla out.